Hello and welcome to the GridMate Learning channel. In this video, we'll be continuing our demo of the Config Wizard by exploring the feature filter in greater detail. To create a filter, follow these steps. Go to the Config Wizard by clicking on the gear icon. Click on the Filter tab. Create your own criteria for the filter. For example, you can set it to show only certain types of data. Copy the configuration. Edit the Lightning page in the App Builder. Scroll down to the appropriate section. Paste the configuration. Click Save and go back. Now you'll see that the filter has been applied and you can see the results based on your criteria. Thank you for watching.